Okay, how to apply a fusible ink to a 100% polyester safety vest.
In the previous video, we used Cricut Design Space to cut out an SVG and also use a free font with the Cricut Infusible Ink marker on Cricut Infusible Ink sheets. So now we're going to read and apply.
Alright, I'm covering my matte cover back over the top. Then I am flipping and I am going to try and get this infusible ink transfer sheet off as flat as possible and put my mat away. So let's go around this edge here. I want to try not to touch the infusible ink sheets, part of the ink sheet that you actually want to use. Touch all that all you like. Just don't get it on your fingers and spread it everywhere. So I'll just do this crack and pull. They're pretty solid that you can like swap colors, and if I wanted to put the dots somewhere I could, or so the truck, if you want to swap colors, so layer. Alright, now I can clearly see where I need to cut, which is why I did that in this order. So I'll go around Mr. Truck here and truck, my words. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little embellishment down at the bottom over here. I'm getting my EasyPress ready. I've got my EasyPress mat, some baking paper, and some paper, some laser copy paper, which is a very important thing. Okay, so I've got my Cricut heat guide, and I've selected my EasyPress Mini Infusible Ink transfer sheets, and I'm just picking base material of t-shirt, and I've pressed apply. And I've used my toggle button to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And it says to preheat for 15 seconds, 5 degrees and 40 seconds. So I'm going to grab my EasyPress and I'm going to do my preheat for 15 seconds and my lint press as well. I don't actually need to do this in any particular direction, which is amazing. So I'm just going to do this way. I'm so used to moving it that I think I need to move it for my preheat. I don't. I just need to wait till it says 25 and lift it off, and I'll just let it disappear. I'm going to do this upside down. So from here, I've got my design. So I'm just going to use some tape to hold it in place. And I did that on the last one, and I forgot that it does actually impact your design. So definitely, if you're using tape, don't cover the design. Means I need to put my piece of tape the other way around. There we go. I think this is the last use on that piece of tape. But see how I've not covered my design this time. I've got my air purifier on to do my well-ventilated area. I also have windows open and all that sort of stuff, but it's very important. I did do this last time. You can see what it's done to the design. So just be careful. Now we're ready. Firm pressure and hold as still as possible. Having one of those days, forgetting steps, just not getting my words right. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hope I didn't stuff it up. I don't think I would have. It's warm remove. Oh, wow. That looks so good. Don't burn yourself. Look at that. I just love it. It looks so good. And it's just perfect. And that's where I put the tape across. It looks good because it looks like it's supposed to be like an ombre, but it's not the same as this at all. It's really obvious. Happy crafting.